Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking you inside a modern bone extract medicine factory to discover the complete manufacturing process from start to finish.
Different bone structures contain valuable minerals and natural collagen. Their composition determines the next manufacturing steps. Inside this advanced pharmaceutical facility, animal bones, specifically bovine bones, every stage follows strict pharmaceutical manufacturing standards. Before production begins, every movement is carefully controlled. The process starts with carefully selected animal bones sourced from certified food processing facilities. Quality begins long before manufacturing starts. Each shipment undergoes detailed inspection before entering production. Only approved raw materials continue forward. Different bone structures contain valuable minerals and natural collagen. Their composition determines the next manufacturing steps.
Before processing can begin, every batch is carefully documented and sanitized. Complete traceability is maintained throughout production.
Temperature control protects the quality of every raw ingredient. Stability is essential before manufacturing begins. Laboratory testing confirms that each batch meets pharmaceutical specifications. Only verified materials enter production. Scientists examine the natural structure of every sample with remarkable precision. Small differences can influence the final medicine.
The approved materials now leave storage for the first stage of processing. Their transformation is about to begin.
Initial preparation removes unwanted material that could affect purity. Every detail supports product quality. Heavy equipment handles large volumes while protecting delicate raw materials. Precision begins even before extraction. Every department works together through carefully planned coordination. Timing is critical throughout the manufacturing process. The washing system is now fully prepared. Clean processing conditions are essential for pharmaceutical production. The first stage of cleaning is finally underway, but before valuable compounds can be extracted, much more preparation is still required. The journey has only just begun. In the next chapter, careful washing, cutting, and preparation will reveal the foundation of bone extract medicine. The first washing stage removes remaining impurities from the bone surfaces. Clean raw material is essential before extraction can begin. Constant water movement reaches every surface evenly. This controlled cleaning prepares the material for the next operation. Excess water is removed before further preparation begin. Moisture control helps maintain process consistency. Only the clean, mineral-rich portions continue forward. Removing unwanted tissue improves the purity of the final extract. Experienced technicians verify every batch one more time. Small imperfections are removed before mechanical processing. Uniform sizing allows every piece to be processed evenly. Consistency is critical for efficient extraction. Automated sorting ensures that similar pieces remain together. Balanced processing improves extraction efficiency. Multiple inspection systems help protect product purity. Every batch is screened before advancing further. Controlled heating begins loosening natural fats and remaining proteins. Temperature management is carefully monitored throughout the process.
We're maintaining optimal flow rate here.
Yes, pressure levels are completely stable. The heating stage prepares the bones for deeper processing. Careful drainage prevents unnecessary dilution later.
Check the fragmentation metrics for batch 4. All parameters are within the acceptable range.
Screening keeps every particle within the required range. Uniform material produces more consistent results. A final rinse removes particles created during crushing. The material is now approaching extraction quality. Each prepared batch is verified before extraction begins. Consistency at this stage supports the entire manufacturing process. Preparation is now complete, and every batch is ready for extraction. The next stage will unlock the valuable compounds hidden inside the bone. The carefully prepared material is finally entering the heart of production. In the next chapter, advanced extraction. The prepared bone fragments now enter the extraction stage. This is where valuable minerals and natural compounds begin separating from the solid structure. Heat, pressure, and purified water work together under carefully controlled conditions. Every setting is adjusted for maximum extraction efficiency. Modern automation maintains precise production conditions. Continuous monitoring keeps the extraction process stable. Energy moves efficiently through the extraction system. Controlled heat allows natural compounds to dissolve gradually. The transformation is now underway. Valuable components begin leaving the bone and entering the extraction liquid. Once extraction reaches the desired level, the liquid moves to its first purification stage. The solid material must now be separated carefully. Filtration removes remaining solid particles without losing valuable dissolved nutrients. The liquid becomes progressively cleaner. High-speed centrifuges provide another level of purification. Even the smallest suspended particles are removed. Vacuum evaporation concentrates the extract without exposing it to excessive heat. This protects sensitive natural compounds. As water is removed, the extract becomes increasingly concentrated. Careful control preserves its consistency. Homogenization ensures that every portion of the extract remains evenly blended. Uniformity is essential before refinement. Ultrafine filtration removes microscopic impurities that ordinary filters cannot capture. Purity continues to improve with each stage. Laboratory verification confirms that extraction remains within pharmaceutical specifications. Every batch is carefully evaluated. The concentrated extract is now stable and ready for refinement. Every tank remains under constant observation. The core extraction process is complete. The next stage will refine the extract into a highly consistent pharmaceutical ingredient.
The amber flow rate is optimal. Data looks consistent across all parameters.
The concentrated extract now enters its most precise stage. Every adjustment here directly influences the quality of the finished medicine. Advanced purification separates the most valuable compounds from remaining impurities. The process is carefully controlled from beginning to end. Modern automation keeps every process within strict operating limits. Small corrections help maintain consistent quality. Each filtration step increases the purity of the extract. Even microscopic particles are carefully removed.
Sterile handling protects the product from contamination. Clean room procedures remain essential throughout refinement.
Carefully measured ingredients help stabilize the extract. Uniform blending ensures every batch behaves consistently. The automated measurements match the lab specifications. Confirmed. We are good to approve the batch. Removing trapped air improves product stability. The extract is now becoming a highly refined pharmaceutical ingredient. The refined extract is transferred under sterile conditions. Careful handling preserves its pharmaceutical quality. Exact formulation guarantees consistent strength in every production batch. Precision remains the highest priority. Preparation for packaging begins only after the formulation is fully approved. Every connection is carefully inspected. The refined medicine is now ready for final filling. Automated equipment maintains speed without sacrificing precision.
Packaging materials are sterilized before use. Every container must be as clean as the medicine it will hold. The production line is now prepared for high-speed filling. The finished medicine is almost ready for its final inspection.
The refined extract has successfully reached the packaging stage. In the next chapter, every filled product will... The refined medicine is now entering its final containers. Every dose is measured with pharmaceutical precision. Automated filling systems maintain identical volumes in every bottle. Accuracy is verified throughout production. Capsule production requires the same level of precision as liquid medicine. Every capsule contains a carefully controlled amount. Secure closures protect the medicine during storage and transportation. Every seal must meet strict pharmaceutical requirements. Tamper-evident seals help protect product safety. Each container receives a secure barrier against contamination. Automated inspection checks every product individually. Anything outside specification is immediately removed. Independent laboratory testing confirms that every production batch meets pharmaceutical standards. Verification continues even after filling. Each batch undergoes detailed scientific analysis. Consistent composition is essential for reliable medicine. Stability testing helps predict long-term product performance. The medicine must remain effective throughout its shelf life. Each approved product receives its identification information. Accurate tracking supports complete product traceability. Final visual inspection ensures every package meets presentation standards. Small defects are detected automatically. Automation keeps packaging both efficient and consistent. Every retail carton is prepared with identical care. Weight verification provides another quality checkpoint. Every shipment must contain exactly what is expected. Finished products are secured for storage and transportation. Careful palletizing prevents damage before delivery.
The manufacturing process is complete, but the journey is not over. In the final chapter, these finished medicines will leave.
After passing every inspection, the finished medicine is finally ready to leave the factory. Careful handling continues until the very last step.
Proper transportation helps preserve pharmaceutical quality. Stable conditions protect every product throughout its journey. The finished medicine now begins its distribution journey. Months of careful manufacturing travel together inside every shipment.
Reliable logistics connect the factory with healthcare distribution centers. Safe transportation remains an important part of product quality.
The sorting rate has increased by 15% this quarter.
Excellent. Ensure the OsteoLife shipments are prioritized.
Every package remains fully tracked after leaving the factory. Accurate inventory supports reliable pharmaceutical supply. The medicine now moves closer to healthcare providers. Every shipment follows a carefully planned distribution route. Receiving inspections provide another safeguard before the medicine reaches patients. Product integrity is verified at every stage. Even after production ends, complete manufacturing records are preserved. Documentation supports long-term pharmaceutical accountability. Preparation for the next production cycle begins immediately. Clean equipment helps maintain consistent quality from batch to batch. Calibration complete on line 3.
Lubrication is good to go.
Final inspection clear. We are ready for production.
The factory briefly pauses between production runs. Soon, the entire process will begin again.
Behind every finished bottle and capsule lies an extraordinary industrial process. Science, engineering, from carefully selected animal bones, such as those from horses, to pharmaceutical-grade bone extract medicine,